The NADALY cordless vacuum cleaner NV100 is equipped with a highly powerful motor that efficiently picks up dust and debris, making it an excellent choice for cleaning various floor types. With a substantial battery life, this vacuum allows for up to 45 minutes of cleaning in normal mode, providing ample time to tackle larger cleaning tasks. The innovative V-shaped anti-tangle brush combined with an LED headlight ensures easy cleaning in hard-to-reach areas, effectively preventing hair tangles. This vacuum features a spacious 1.5-liter dust cup, which minimizes the need for frequent emptying and simplifies the cleaning process with its easy-to-use design. Its lightweight and wireless build makes the NADALY vacuum convenient for use anywhere, and it can be easily transformed into a handheld device for versatile cleaning. The advanced filtration system captures the majority of fine particles, promoting cleaner air and making it particularly suitable for homes with children or pets.